Hello and welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here and excited to share our content with you. Whether you're a first-time viewer or a long-time subscriber, we're grateful for your support. We created this channel to share our passion for all things finance. It has been a journey of discovery, growth, and learning, and we're grateful for the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals like you. Our goal is to create a space where we can learn, inspire, and challenge each other to be the best versions of ourselves. We hope that our videos will bring value to your life and help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. And feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. We value your input and look forward to hearing from you. In this video, we're going to discuss the role of credit unions in promoting financial education. We're here to make this topic not only informative but also useful. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of credit unions. Credit unions have a long history of providing financial services to their members, but they are also playing a significant role in promoting financial education and impacting the community in positive ways. By offering financial literacy programs, partnering with schools and community organizations, and providing financial counseling services, credit unions are helping their members and the wider community become more financially savvy. One of the ways that credit unions promote financial education is through financial literacy programs. These programs cover a range of topics, including budgeting, credit management, and saving strategies. By providing members with the knowledge and tools they need to make informed financial decisions, credit unions are helping their members to achieve their financial goals. Financial literacy programs are often tailored to the needs of specific groups, such as young adults just starting out on their financial journey, or seniors who may be approaching retirement. For example, some credit unions offer financial literacy workshops for high school students, while others provide retirement planning seminars for their older members. By tailoring their programs to meet the needs of specific groups, credit unions are able to make a real impact on the financial well-being of their members. Credit unions also play an important role in promoting financial education in the wider community. Many credit unions partner with schools and community organizations to offer financial education programs to non-members. For example, some credit unions offer financial literacy workshops to local high schools or community centers. These programs provide valuable information and tools to people who may not have access to traditional financial education resources. Partnering with community organizations also allows credit unions to build stronger relationships with the communities they serve. By working together to promote financial education, credit unions can establish themselves as valuable partners in the community and gain the trust and support of local residents. In addition to financial literacy programs, credit unions also offer financial counseling services to their members. These services are designed to help members who may be struggling with debt, budgeting, or other financial issues. Credit union counselors can provide personalized advice and support, helping members get back on track and achieve their financial goals. Financial counseling services can be particularly valuable to members who are experiencing financial hardship. For example, credit unions may offer debt consolidation services or hardship loan programs to help members get back on their feet. By providing these services, credit unions can help members avoid the devastating consequences of financial stress, such as bankruptcy or foreclosure. In addition to promoting financial education and providing financial counseling services, credit unions also have a broader impact on the community. Because credit unions are member-owned and not-for-profit, they are able to reinvest their earnings back into the community. This means that credit unions can offer lower interest rates on loans, higher interest rates on savings accounts, and fewer fees than traditional banks. By providing affordable financial services, credit unions can help their members save money and build wealth. This, in turn, can have a positive impact on the community as a whole. For example, if credit union members are able to save money on their loans, and build up their savings, they may be more likely to invest in local businesses or participate in community activities. Credit unions also play a role in promoting financial inclusion. Because credit unions are member-owned and not-for-profit, they are often more willing to serve underserved communities, such as low-income households or those with poor credit histories. By providing access to affordable financial services, credit unions can help these communities build their financial stability and achieve their goals. Credit unions are playing an increasingly important role in promoting financial education and impacting the community. By offering financial literacy programs, partnering with schools and community organizations, providing financial counseling services, and promoting financial inclusion, credit unions are helping their members and the wider community become more financially savvy and achieve their goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. And feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. Once again, thank you for clicking on our video and being a part of this community. Let's learn, grow, and build something together.